Patrick coming at you. Still Connor's still lost in the game zone. And 𝗪𝗂𝗧𝗵𝗲 made a bomb for me last time. I reckon I gotta shoot it.
Trip.
So I can
You think you can make that jump?
drop a drawbridge for my girlfriend. She is with my child. So her running around in this fucking rusty hell world has got me a little anxious, if I'm honest. Yeah, what about your ham hydraulics, though? That pump those hams when I'm carrying you on my back.
Done. Can you jump across?
A nice work, Trip.
I can turn these for you. Just tell me when.
That sounds really tedious. Okay, do it now.
Come on, turn it.
Oh boy. It's a lot of fun. Hey, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. I told her to turn it. Alright, that was definitely worth the afternoon of the major programming
Let's keep moving.
Segment.
We're almost there.
That had to spend an entire afternoon to do that little special segment. It's over now. They're like, I missed my son's first baseball game for this shit.
We need to get through here.
I'm a pig man. I don't remember my armbands being quite so red.
This is the main hangar where they constructed Titans.
Come on, girlfriend, you're getting on my back.
Hey, there.
Actually, there is one. But luckily for us, they never fully assembled it.
Yeah, but Trip's on my back, so. And I get to watch her hams. Me and Trip are in love, and we kiss every night.
Now, all the way up there is a heat sink. We need it.
How do we get up there?
It's a bit tricky.
You could literally fucking use any
These
piece of
cranes
metal as a
before
heat
ship heavy
sink.
salvage. I think you could use them to get across.
You sure this is us risking our lives?
Okay. I see the heat sink. Monkey, if you can get me up there, I can release it.
You mean over by those rare logos?
It looks like we've got company too. Monkey, 𝗪𝗂𝗧𝗵𝗲, can you take care of those mechs?
No problem.
Whoa, 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 watch the
Try to
slurs.
point to cover you. Give me a
I don't care, I want that. I don't care, I wanted the red shiny. Hey, asshole. Hey, fuck off. Whoa, these guys are a lot stronger. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Get my ass beat. Focus attack ready. How do I use that? Hold on. Let me... How do I do the focus attack? Combat. Focus attack. Press triangle and circle when the staff glows after landing. Okay, my bad. Die, fuckers.
Good job. I'm on my way.
What are you doing, girlfriend?
You can throw me up there.
I can't see you.
Let's keep going.
Besides, ooh, I got 59,000 red shinies. Oh, I think I need like, how much do I need to, upgrade my health? What was it? It was like, one of them was 90,000, but the one I'm interested in is upgrading my overall health. 65. Ooh, I'm almost there. Yeah, we'll use that in a minute. Hopefully you don't get to a big boss or something. You don't have to make a thing I can walk on shiny, okay? I'm not that stupid. Go ahead and make everything I can climb on shiny if you want. But, aw, yeah. I love them parkour moves. I want these. How do I get these? No, I want those. Let me down. Maybe I can get them later. I'm so close to being able to upgrade my health, though. I'm angry. Okay, there's the pole. Drop. Monkey. Drop. Drop it. Monkey, drop it. Drop it. Drop, monkey. Well, he's being bad boy. I have to do something else, I guess. What are you doing, girl? How do I get down from here? I am a little confused. I'm really not sure how I get down from here. They're not letting me down. Neither are the jump or drop button, which of course for me aren't buttons. I just have to think them and then they happen, because unlike a bunch of phony low-T Litz players sitting on a couch or something like that, I actually died in them inside of the game. But even when I think the buttons that I have to press, it doesn't work, so it sucks. I'm really confused. Okay, I don't have a button to make Trip do something. Am I supposed to shoot something? I'm supposed to be over there with Girlfriend. I guess they want me to go that way to get to her. How the hell do I do that? We are in a bit of a conundrum here. Oh, they finally let me jump down. What the hell? That sucked. Okay, where the hell am I supposed to go? No, I want to go over there. Damn it. Drop the F down. Drop down, you butt. Oh, God. Okay, fine. I'm giving up the pursuit of those reds. You know what? Reds are bad for your health anyway. I'm switching to lights. How do I get down? This is the most frustrated I've ever been in this game with the controls. That was really annoying. I do not like it in games also when they put little character animations ahead of flow of movement. They're like, no, pressing the button won't matter now because he's doing a little animation, and we won't be listening for that button until he's done with his little move in his butt left or right or something. Like, I hate that shit. That is the fucking worst. Game designers, don't ever do that. If it's a choice between a little flair of animation in your character and it not making sense to active, like to be listening for the input of a button, choose the button. Don't choose your dumb little animation. I mean, do the dumb little animations. This sucks. I can't. This is driving me insane. Do the animations. I mean, the animations aren't dumb. They bring flavor. They make things look cool, and I love that. But like, don't let it affect the flow of moving around. That is the worst. Okay, I am starting to get really confused here. I hope this isn't some kind of bug. That would suck. Okay, I don't think I'm supposed to be up here yet. I think I'm supposed to go down the way I came and go do something with Trip, and then they probably send me back up here later. But they shouldn't have let me up here at all, if that's the case, with how bad this shit is. It's so bad. Jeez. Okay, there's nothing shiny over there, so they won't let me go over there. No, god damn it. Oh, God. Okay, this is where I came from, right? For the love of God, let me drop. They won't let me drop. This is... No, that's not where I came from. Where the hell would I have come from? No, oh, I was back there. I came from there to here. And if they won't let me go back there, then I think I'm fucked. Which would really, really suck. Okay. How about this? How about you let me jump back to the fucking pole? Because I can't do anything here. You bastards. Oh, this sucks. You know what? There's gotta be a way. Maybe we can just restart this segment. Because if I have to restart the whole chapter, I'm going to be extraordinarily cross. Definitely nothing for me to ask Trip to do. I think I have figured it out, though. I think I'm not supposed to be here yet, and there's no way to get down from here. They finally just let me do it! I was pressing it over and over and over and over, thinking it, mind you, not actually pressing it. I don't have a physical controller. I don't have access to that because I'm dead and inside of a video game dimension. But I was doing it over and over and over and it wouldn't do anything. God, that's really annoying. On the plus side, how many red shinies do I have now? Can I upgrade my health? Ooh, I can. Awesome. Let's upgrade our health. Go. No, not yet. I still need 4,000 more. Okay. Girlfriend is here. God, that is so annoying. It is so annoying. That's another also painful thing about this game is occasionally is poor programming when it comes to input recognition.
Let's try to get these cranes working.
And sequences. Something like that can really, really frustrate players.
I think you can get to the crane from that platform.
Here come more mechs! I got your backs!
My guess is Pigsy's gonna die before we ever leave Junk City, so we can have a nice emotional moment. And they killed my dad, and they killed Pigsy. What are they gonna kill next, our baby? Where's girlfriend? Okay, so I threw her up here, but I can't jump up there. Thanks a lot. Okay, but now she's up there, so she'll press the button or whatever. So back to this shit. Monkey, I can move a thing for you now. See? Oh, here it is.
Ain't gonna light on it.
I'll deal with it.
I only have one bullet left, though. I think I'm too far away from him. Hey, girlfriend.
Got it. It's running out.
Ain't no one got time for that. Move it, monkey. Monkey, move it. We're dying. Hey, monkey, we're dying.
Fully charged.
Alright then, why don't you distract him again? And I'll do this. Oh shit, they won't let me. I can't shoot from here? That sucks. Shoot my staff thing. I gotta wait for the decoy to refill. Now it's refilled. Monkey, jump. Monkey, the fuck, jump. Monkey, jumpy, monkey, jumpy. Alright. Oh, thanks, camera. I appreciate that. Sometimes I like to use the guns,
Okay, all
and
done.
other times I throw it off a cliff for no reason.
Okay, I'm ready. I can move the cranes from here. Just say when.
Can we just stop with all the moving ladders and cranes and pulling valves and just all this little tedious problem solving? Can we just sit and look at this really awkward footage, pictures of the developers on horses for some reason? No, I mean, can we just have a moment together and you and me just like talk about your feelings? You just lost your dad. I mean, it's not good to just be constantly just on all the time. You know, we need to talk. Okay. Y'all want me to go back, or what's the deal? Going back.
Figure out a way to get me over there.
Shut up! Don't tell me what to do. So I gotta... Was he shaking his head no? It's also, it's like, this is like kind of like VR for me because I'm inside of the game and I'm seeing all this whole world, but at the same time, because I can only have partial control of my own movements because I'm limited to what my movements are coded as, I also sometimes, you know, refer to myself in third person, even though I'm seeing everything in first person. From my perspective. From what I gathered... Oh, there's a... Is that a pole? Damn it! Okay. Okay. What do I do? Monkey, what do we do? You know what? That motion blur stuff sucks. Can we do anything about that? No. No, we can't. Okay. Let me guess. I can get down from here, even though I'm constantly trying to and it won't let me. But let me guess, I can. I just have to find the random sequence to make it work. Because the input signaling in the code in this game is total dog shit. Okay. Okay, no, move the crane for me. Okay. That's it, right? Did she do it? Oh, there we go.
We can't reach the heatsink from this side. We'll need to get to the other crane.
I don't know what you're getting at. What do you... Oh, I guess you want me to go this way?
There's the switch that controls the other crane. Can you get over there? You'll have to shift that junk out of the way.
Sure. It's interesting how you can start to feel the fatigue of the developers of a game at a certain point in the game.
Trip, get on.
Like, you can vicariously feel it through the design of the game itself. It's
Hit it again.
a very strange thing if you're sensitive to that sort of thing. Yipe stripes, a rippa dippa dippa. That's what Trip kind of reminds me of sometimes. That chick from that MST3K episode.
Oh, damn. I can't reach it. You're gonna have to get over here and throw me up.
Okay, I'll find a way to get you. Well, I can see a route to it if I can just get over there.
Yipe stripes, a rippa dippa dippa. Wait, was I supposed to do that or no? What about if I... Oh, no, okay, that's only 2 different options. Right? Can I make her do that if I need? No, I can't. So I'm probably going to be real angry if that was the wrong thing to do. I mean, that's how it was when our convo ended. I wouldn't expect they would want me to turn it immediately again. Yipe stripes, a rippa dippa doodah. Yeah, but remember this and a little of that. Am I supposed to jump down here? Guess not. Okay, girlfriend is here. Here, I'm back to this stupid shit. Okay. So we know we'll be up on that platform, and I think it seems to be currently set to where I can get on there, so I think we're in good shape. He's the world's most monkey man tonight. He's a hero with no shirt on and he's not too bright. When that horny monkey attacks. Wait. There's girlfriend. Object of my desire. And okay, how do I get on here? Come on. Why can't I get on here? What is the deal? No option to make Trip do anything. Trip's over there. I'm over here. Oh, maybe I did screw up. Maybe that was supposed to be over towards this way? See, if you just press the button 100,000 fucking times where you're supposed to be able to do something simple like step off of a roof, eventually it might work. Using the term press colloquially here, of course. I don't have a controller in my hand. I don't even have hands because I'm dead. Okay, girlfriend is here. There's the outline of her lovely feminine form. And what I'm supposed to do, clearly, is, you know, something. Jump through here. Where's Pigsy at? We haven't heard from him in a while. When's his tragic death gonna happen? Oh, no, that's it. I threw her up here to begin with. I'm starting to get some spatial awareness of everything, I guess. Okay, I was just here. We just did this. So I'm not sure that's the thing to do. Here is this. I jumped down. Here is over here. Can't get up here. Here is here. Here is here. Maybe we're getting somewhere. Girlfriend is getting closer. All right. Press to use. This is where I was just a minute ago. What does that do for me? Okay, that allows me to get from there. So, okay. That might actually do something for me. We'll see. There's a long little jump there. Alright. Can't climb up that way. We have to go back to my arch rival. That little area of the game where they start off with the glowy walk. Do all this pointless bullshit? Emulating accomplishment. And now we can go to Monkey Spot to do rare logo thing. All right.
I think I can hear some mechs coming.
Hang on! I'm on my way!
I'm on my way, 'cause I'm always ready. I won't let trip out of my sight.
Cold charms, no arms to hold when the show's done. Dark dreams, torn seams. He's lost till the light's gone. Empty words, shadows heard in the haze of the nightfall. Pitch pain, no gain in the hunger's